Hey there, space fans! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most exciting news from the final frontier. Today, we've got an incredible update about the next phase of the Lunar Gateway project. Get ready to learn all about the new advancements in space robotics that are set to revolutionize lunar exploration. MDA Space has just received a whopping $1 billion Canadian contract from the Canadian Space Agency to continue the development of the Canadarm3 robotic arm system for the Lunar Gateway. This contract, announced on June 27th, covers the final design, assembly, and testing of Canadarm3, with work scheduled to continue through March 2030. Mike Greenley, the CEO of MDA Space, expressed his excitement, stating, "We are entering an exciting period where Canadarm3 will take shape and come to life on our production floor." This major milestone reflects MDA Space's strategy to build a significant backlog and introduce a new generation of commercial space products and services. The Canadian government first announced its participation in the Gateway project back in 2019, becoming NASA's first international partner. The government committed to investing $2 billion Canadian over 24 years in the program, with Canadarm3 being a pivotal part of this collaboration. The Canadarm3 is an evolution of the original Canadarm used on the shuttle and the Canadarm2 currently on the International Space Station. MDA Space, formerly known as McDonald, Detweiler and Associates, began work on Canadarm3 in 2020. Given their extensive experience with earlier robotic arm systems, it's no surprise they secured this significant contract. François-Philippe Champagne, Canada's Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry, highlighted the importance of this project, stating, "Building on the legacy of strategic investments in space robotics, Canadarm3 showcases our commitment to innovation." But MDA Space isn't stopping at Canadarm3. The company is leveraging its investments in space robotics for a range of commercial products. In April, they unveiled the MDA Skymaker line of space robotic systems. One of their major projects includes the Lunar Dawn rover, developed by a team led by Lunar Outpost, which was one of 3 rovers selected by NASA for initial funding under its Lunar Terrain Vehicle Services program. Moreover, MDA Space plans to supply a Skymaker robotic arm system for Starlab, the commercial space station being developed by Starlab Space. MDA Space officially joined the joint venture in May, acquiring an equity stake as part of the deal. Mike Greenley explained that this space robotics work is part of a broader strategy that includes projects in Earth observation and communication satellites. The company has productized our offering to make it more accessible to the commercial market in all 3 business areas, he said. To support this ambitious agenda, MDA Space has moved into a new facility in Brampton, Ontario. This Space Robotics Center of Excellence is dedicated to building and testing robotic systems and features multiple mission control centers to operate robotic arms on the ISS, Gateway, and commercial facilities. What do you think about these exciting developments in space robotics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.